Welcome to my studio. My name is Eko Tjoek. Today the theme is arranging with branches. For my first arrangement, I'm using this beautiful nigiri container by Thomas Arakawa. It has a triangular shape. As you can see, I'm setting up a mechanic for my arrangement, a horizontal single bar fixture. First, I created the structure using plain tree branches. I used simple forest wire to put it all together. I wanted the structure to have a triangular element to mimic the container. This is pink ice tortilla. Always cut the flower in the water to prolong the life of the flower. For the greenery, I am using palm leaf, and to add interest, I cut the edges into a rectangular shape. Then I add the second one, just for the height. Here it is, my first arrangement. Plain tree branches, palm leaf, pink tortilla. For my second arrangement, I'm using this tall dome-shaped container that I created at Bruno Clark Pottery Studio. It has many openings on the top. These are oak tree branches that I found on my recent trip to the wine country. It has very interesting shape, and I love the lichen and the green fungus that cover the branches. For the greenery, I'm using ornamental cabbage or flowering kale. They come in a variety of colors and shapes, and they last for a very long time. I'm adding a few more on the back to create or to add more depth for the arrangement. This is Fritillaria. I wanted to add color to the arrangement, and I was so happy that I saw this at the flower mart. It has very interesting shapes, and this beautiful muted orange flowers will complement the purple cabbage, I think. I like them to be the focal point. They add characters to the arrangement. This is New Zealand flax. That I've prepared ahead of time. I like to add them to create height and movement. I love using New Zealand flags. They're probably one of my favorite materials. Such a versatile material that you can shape and bend and weave together. Here I'm trying to create an arc. Here it is, my second arrangement. This is my third and last arrangement. I'm using the split cylinder ceramic vase. It is a Hiroshi Teshigara original. For this arrangement, I'm using bleached and colored paper bush branches, are known as Mitsumata. My sensei was kind enough to let me use them. Thank you, Jane. I believe she bought them in Japan. It's very hard to find them here in the United States. As you can see, I'm utilizing the split in the vase as my mechanic. Then I secure the branch with a wire. I love the vivid colors. And by the way, this is not the natural color. It has been sprayed and bleached. As you can see, I'm trying to create a horizontal structure. I'm adding the third branch to add height. For the flowers, I'm using the large Obake anthurium to complement the Mitsumata. I love the coloring of these anthuriums. The green and the orange red in the middle really complement the Mitsumata very well, I think. I decided to use them very sparingly, just as accent. I'd like to emphasize the beautiful lines of the Mitsumata. As you might have noticed, I'm not adding any greenery because the anthurium has the green color already. And the unique shape of the anthurium really complement the Mitsumata. Here it is, my last arrangement, Mitsumata and Theorem. Thank you for watching.